So, getting emotionally triggered isn't fun because it leaves us feeling everything what we want to feel. We feel the intensity of it. We may feel enraged. We may feel hurt. And the feelings become so strong that they've gained a momentum. We begin to feel that in the body. And we mistakenly think that whoever triggered us, they have also caused the pain. So it seems like that on the surface. The truth is, we are getting triggered always from something in our past that we pushed away. So getting triggered means that that outside event or a person, it catalyzed what was buried deep within. So the higher reason, the bigger reason, the cosmic reason for us to getting triggered, so we can now metabolize those experiences that we did not metabolize. In course of the day, we go through myriad of experiences which we don't know what to do with. We carry on with doing life. So those experiences, they go unexperienced or unmetabolized rather, and they get um, filled in our subconscious. I call it the subconscious garbage bin. There is no other way to get to our subconscious without that trigger. So triggers are a necessary way. So yes, it doesn't feel fun, but look at the opportunity for growth, for healing, and for becoming whole. When we become triggered, it's an invitation to take a look at where is this coming from? What it is this really? So it's never about what someone did to us. It's about our experiences because two different people will have different experiences from the same catalyst. So triggers are a way for us to grow, for us to evolve, for us to grow, and for us to heal. So I invite you to do that if you get triggered next time. I'm offering a masterclass webinar series in partnership with KS Media Group during the summer to understand, to get deep into the intelligence of emotions. These are free webinars. The link will be below. Be sure to check it out.